Great for spontaneous breaks and long weekends, our cloud tents are available in 4 different sizes, accommodating from 2 up to 5 persons. The wind guard system wraps around the poles and provides great connection between poles and fly sheet, ensuring the best stability in windy conditions. The cloud tents feature an extra door at the back, providing direct access to the inner tent. By the way, our dark inner, shown here on the new dash tent, is also part of the Earth and Cloud tents for 2020. Thank you for watching. To see the